The cabin air filter in your 2001-2005 Honda Civic is crucial for clean air inside your car. It filters out dust, pollen, and other pollutants. Unlike engine air filters, the cabin filter isn't under the hood. Instead, it's located behind the glove box inside the passenger compartment. To access it, open the glove box and you'll find the filter housing on the right side. This filter is typically rectangular, around 7 by 6 by 1 inches. Replacing it improves air quality, reduces allergens, and helps your AC system run efficiently. A clogged filter can cause reduced airflow and musty odors, indicating it needs replacing. According to the EPA, cabin air can be 25 times more polluted than outdoor air in urban areas, emphasizing the importance of a clean filter. The filter should be inspected every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually. To replace the cabin air filter, start by opening the glove box and removing the 2 plastic stops at the bottom. This will allow you to lower the glove box. Locate the filter housing on the right side of the compartment. Release any clips or screws on the filter cover and pull it out. Wear gloves to avoid contaminating the new filter. Remove the old filter, noting the airflow direction arrow. Insert the new filter, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Reassemble the housing, glove box, and clips. Finally, test the AC system to ensure proper airflow. Aftermarket options like activated carbon filters are available for better odor and allergen control, costing between $10 to $25. Neglecting this filter can lead to a 10–15% drop in AC efficiency. Regular replacement maintains a healthier and more comfortable driving environment.